Hi guys, it's me, Shawntel the model. It's me. Hi guys. This channel for a long time now. I've been wanting to talk to people because I talk a lot to myself, which is not a bad thing. Just not answering it might be the issue. But I am here now. I am a model, plus size that is. I am a mom of 4. And I am a fitness mentor. And guess what? I just started my first ever business, Curves to Fit. This is my first ever YouTube channel. I'm so excited, so excited. So people, you guys subscribe, thumbs up, tell me what you want to talk about. I will be talking about fitness. I will be talking about health, being plus size. I will be talking about breaking barriers in the modeling industry as a plus size woman. Anything I want to talk about. I want to talk about parenting. I just want to talk about it all. So just stay with me, subscribe, like, thumbs up, share. Just come out, you guys. Let's talk. So tonight I will be doing my first ever skin regimen. I got a lot of feedback off the one video, and that was with Nick Cannon alone. As you can see, it has hit 5 million views. And the one thing everybody has been saying is my skin. And like right now I have on no makeup. No makeup, guys. Yeah, black doesn't crack. But anyway, once a week I always do a charcoal peeled, and that's what I will be doing tonight. Yes guys, a charcoal peel. Just bear with me. I've been doing this once a week for the past 4 months now. It hurts, but you'll get used to it. No different than getting your eyebrows, you know, pretty hearts. You know how the saying goes. So at the end of the day, we just have to get it done. We're gonna do that, and I'm gonna remove my wig, guys. Yeah, this is a wig. You will see me in different variations of everything. I love hair. Hair makes me feel different. So yes, hair will be taken off, wig will be on, and no, you will not see me without it. So, but stay tuned, guys. So you guys, I am back. I have taken my hair off, putting my hair scarf on, and I've also gotten my RK by Kiss. I don't know if you guys can see that. Charcoal peel off mask. I use these at least once a week. It helps with taking all the whiteheads out of my skin, and it feels great after. So put it on your face, you let it dry, and you peel it off. Yes, it hurts a little. On a scale from 1 to 10, I will give it a 6, but you will get used to it. And if you get it on places on your face where you have hair, like maybe you missing got it on the end of your eyebrow, you can always take a wet damp cloth and wipe it off, so you won't be pulling hair off. So be careful, guys. Be careful to never put these on your eyebrows and your edges. No, but you can get a wet rag and wipe it, damp it, and get it off. So I'm getting ready to apply this. I won't scare you when I come back on camera, so just be aware. I will give you a countdown or something, but don't judge me. Yeah, don't judge me. I'll be back. So I'm back, you guys, and I was gonna put the mask on, but I said I might as well let you guys watch me apply. So I have tucked away my edges, make sure everything was tucked away, slick my eyebrows down. Time to apply. You can use this, but I use this for another mask and I don't want to get the charcoal on it. So I'll just be using my hand. You have to make sure you wipe your hands off very thoroughly because it gets everywhere. and it will dry and I will have to peel. Stay tuned. Okay, now it has been about 15 minutes. It's dry, and as you can see, I can barely talk, but I can tell y'all a trick that helps you guys get this off your face faster. What you have to do is scratch your mouth. Do like keep scratching your face, and it'll loosen up around your mouth, which allow you to have space to peel. And this is the painful part. Just a little bit. Just work with me. So keep doing this. Loosen it up on your face and start to pull. Whew. It takes me. It hurts, you guys, but it's well worth it. I promise. Keep pulling. Beauty. Who it hurts. It really hurts. Shoot. Ooh. And as you guys can see, something's actually coming off. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's coming off. It's in there. So, ow! Oh! I think I got a piece of my sideburn. I know sideburns aren't supposed to be all the way down there, but it hurts. And it hurts under your eye if you get it real close. Ow. Yeah. And like I said, it gets easier, because before, ooh, that hurts. Ooh, ooh, whew. Before it would take me at least 20 minutes. Shoot, oh, that was a piece of hair. It is all off. My cotton rounds. And it's called Garnier Skin Active. It is the bomb. All in one. It does not smell like alcohol. It does not dry your skin out. It actually moisturizes while taking off any kind of makeup, dirt throughout the day. It's the best. It's the bomb. I promise you guys. I use it, and it's for all skin types, even sensitive. No alcohol fragrance. It is the bomb. That's what I did. I did my facial regimen, and this is the finished product. I may put some moisturizer on it, but I may not, because this is an all-in-one. It removes makeup, cleans, and refreshes, and it doesn't make my skin dry. That's a good thing about it. But and I don't want my pores clogged as I go to bed, so I won't put it on any moisturizer, just so my skin can. Make sure your pillow Sunday/Monday skin regimen. That is what I do. Nothing major. Oh, sorry, like that was my toe. Nothing major. My skin regimen for my charcoal peel, and at the bottom in the link below, I will put the link for where I order it off Amazon, and I order my charcoal peel off Amazon. So I will put all the links at the bottom, so go get them if you think it will work for you. I have really oily skin, and it works for me. Like I said, I have 4 kids. I'm 32. It is inherited that black does not crack, but at the same time, taking care of your skin and eating what you're supposed to do will take you a long way also. So I hope this video really helps. So you guys give me a thumbs up. Just tell me what you think. Let me know what you want me to try next. I'm willing to try things. Next thing I'm working on is my bags. You see them? I have 4 kids. So that'll be my next video. Tell me what you guys think, and this is my first ever video, so you guys work with me, give me tips. I can't wait to talk to you guys again.